Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Kevin S Vlog. Yay! And for today's video, Wednesday na, and kagagaling ko lang sa work ko and nagpa-half day lang ako today. Then I'm goes to the validation for my PWD ID. Ayan, validate na ulit ang aking ID. So now I'm here in Opus Mall, Beach Town. Yay! Makakapag-mall na tayo ulit. Then, certainly, as of now, I am thinking about I am looking for some cocoa milkshake. So, yeah. So, ayun, natatanaw ko yung cocoa milkshake in the front of my body. Yeah. In the front of my table. Sorry. Then, hindi ko alam kung ano yung o-ordering ko. Kung with top, with cream, or may sago-sago, or whatever. So, yun. Punta tayo. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So ayun guys, nakita ko na yung cocoa milkshake. So which is ayun. So tara, order na tayo.
Isang ano na cocoa milkshake regular. Ay, yan.
So now I am going to pick up line for claiming my in-order ko na milk tea shake. Tara, let's go. Okay po, thank you. So yeah, naka-order na tayo ng cocoa milk tea, yes, for the hot summer this season. Oh my gosh, napaka-init. So hot sa labas, oh my gosh, hindi ko na kaya yung weather sa labas. So yeah, takam na ako magpalamig. So yeah. Kaya guys, samahan nyo ako mag-milk tea, yo. And hanggang dyan na lang po. Thank you for watching Kevin S Vlog. Bye-bye. Mahal ko kayo.